Hi, welcome to Systech Trading and Technology. I'm Dan, an ESD engineer. As far as you know, nowadays most of electronic manufacturing apply automation, which limited human fatigue or monitoring inside and outside machine. At the same time, ESD can occur anytime without monitored by humans. How many times are you measure ESD products per day? Have you ever think about how to measure ESD all the time and make a report? No matter how we completed, use anti-static in the previous process, but still ESD can steal for some reason. For example, the first one, during the time object moving on conveyor or inside the machine, they can be induction by another object, or the contacting and separating of two objects, and so on. So what is the best way here to detect ESD occur in SMT line? It's really helpful to stop right away and remove object or control process. And today, I will show you a new equipment that is DSF 601 monitoring ESD from Shishido, Japan, which will solve all the obstacles about monitoring ESD. First of all, let's talk about the wonderful feature of it. With the compact design, that will be easy to install in all locations in your factory, and that will control the static electric generated in production area. That will warning the danger of a voltage potential of ESD. It's easy to set up the value voltage by use ESD software. This will help you reduce time and make a report easily, because DSF software can export report by Excel file. We have two sensors. The first one is measured from 0 to 2 kilovoltage, and the distance is maybe is 5 millimeter. And the next one they have a bigger range, that is from 0 to 20 kilovoltage, and the distance is really different, is 30 millimeter from sensor to object. DSF 601 has an analog output and use RS-232 protocol, and each device has a different IP. The computer can join the Wi-Fi of this device or the Wi-Fi of factory network, and they will transfer data together and help you to export data easily. In Systech, we are developing the DSF software for file location. They will connect together and show you how much voltage on display. This will help you monitor and control more flexible. So where can we use this one? In SMT line, that's really necessary to install and add the input gate objects during a time object movement inside machine and the output gate, or some of automatic process non-accept human. Moreover, DSF 601 meets requirement for standard test method for 97.2. That will measure how much voltage on body human when they movement combined between ESD source and ESD flow. And this method will help you choose the suitable source ESD source and ESD flow. So that is just a sum of interesting information about this device. Please contact Systech to get more information. Thank you so much. That is our pleasure to collaboration with you. Thank you.